Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about the second problem of the selection sort. If you see this video, you will be able to solve any problem which will be related to selection sort. So, first step. How many numbers of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is not there. So, total 6 number of elements. That is n is equal to 6. Next step. Index them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 5 means total number of elements are 6. Now how many steps we need to complete this given problem? So the number of steps formula will be equal to n minus 1. That is n minus 1 steps are required to solve this problem. What is the value of n? That is length of the given array or the given list of elements, that is 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. You just need 5 steps to complete this problem. So how we will solve the problem is, we will make two groups. One will be sorted and another will be unsorted. So sorted sublist or unsorted sublist, that like also you can call, or two groups, sorted and unsorted. At the starting, I will consider all the elements as unsorted elements. That is, all 6 elements will be considered as unsorted. Now what I must do is, I must see the smallest element in the unsorted sublist. So I said I will consider this will be the sorted and this will be the unsorted. I said I will consider all the elements in the given list of elements. I will consider them as unsorted elements. So since I considered unsorted element, what I will be doing, I will be checking for the smallest number in the unsorted elements. So which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. I will round up it. Now what I will do, I will just swap it with the first element of the unsorted group. So what it will happen? 1 will go to 7th place and 7 will go to 1's place. So 1 will be coming here and 7 will be going here. Now all the intermediate elements will be same. So my sorted sublist has came up to here because one element I shifted now. So my one sorted element is there. Now this is the unsorted elements, this is the sorted element. In unsorted elements, which is the smallest number? Now the smallest number is 3. I rounded up it and I will be exchanging or swapping it with the first element of the unsorted group or unsorted subarray. So 3 will be in the place of 4 and 4 will be in place of 3. All other elements will be same. Now my sorted sublist has came up to here, up to 3. Now only unsorted elements are 4 are there, 10, 8, 4, 7. Among them, which is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. What I will be doing? I will be swapping with the first element of unsorted group, that is 10. 4 will be going here, 10 will be coming here. All other elements will be same. Now my sorted sublist has came up to here. Sorted group, unsorted group. You can call them as sorted sublist, unsorted sublist also. Now only 3 elements are there in unsorted. Among these, which is the smallest? 7 is smallest. I will replace or swap it with the first element of the unsorted elements. So which is 1? 8. 8 will goes to 7th place and 7 will go to 8th place. All other elements will be same as in the previous section. Now my sorted sublist has came up to here and only 2 elements are left in the unsorted sublist. Among them, 8 is the smallest. I will swap it with the first element of the unsorted elements. So it is 10. 8 will goes to 10th place and 10 will come to 8th place. 1, 3, 4, 7. So this is the ascending sorting. What is this? Ascending sorting. Ascending sorting means we have arranged all the given list of elements in the increasing order. 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. So if they tell descending order, what you must do? From 10, 8, 7, 4, 3, 1. Like that it must be coming. So in most of the exam, ascending sorting will be asked in the selection sort. You can do it like this. So hope you understood the concept. If you liked the video, please comment below and please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Please support us. Thank you.